नोएडा स्थित मारवा स्टूडियो में एएफटी स्टूडेंट्स द्वारा स्टूडेंट्स के लिए आयोजित टेडेक्स ऑफ ग्रैंड शो का भव्य आयोजन किया गया। कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ नोएडा फिल्म सिटी के संस्थापक एंड एएफटी के चांसलर डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा, कैंपस डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर मनोज अग्रवाल और डायरेक्टर सीआरसी सीमा बेदी द्वारा किया गया। कार्यक्रम में अंतर्राष्ट्रीय ख्याति प्राप्त कलाकार मोहन ब्रदर्स, लक्ष्य मोहन और आयुष मोहन द्वारा प्रस्तुत सरोद एंड सितार जुगलबंदी ने अपनी ओर आकर्षित कर लिया। टेडेक्सॉफ्ट के मंच पर इतिहासकार एवं लेखक विक्रमजीत सिंह, रूप राय, उद्यमी जय चचरा, गायिका एंड आध्यात्मिक कलाकार अभिलिप्सा पांडा, प्रसिद्ध कथक डांसर स्नेहा बजाज, प्रसिद्ध एनिमेशन फिल्म मेकर वैभव कुमारेश, युवा लेखक ऋत्विक सिंह और बॉलीवुड की लोकप्रिय गायक शिवानी कश्यप ने अपने उपस्थित कार्यक्रम से सभी की गरिमाई बढ़ाई। इसके साथ ही डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा ने टेडेक्सॉफ्ट की उस शिक्षा दर्शन को दर्शाता है जहां पढ़ाई कक्षा तक सीमित नहीं रहती, बल्कि छात्रों को स्वतंत्र रूप से सोचने, रचनात्मक और अभिव्यक्ति और विविध ज्ञान क्षेत्रों से जुड़ने के लिए प्रेरित किया जाता है। कार्यक्रम के अंत में डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा द्वारा अतिथिगण को मेमेंटो देकर सम्मानित किया गया।
I'm very happy today at AFT. We have a program with TEDx, and 10 of the best speakers, young speakers, are here at AFT. All of them are wonderful speakers. It all started with the musical program, bhajan, and talks. Obviously, the next after lunch, there's going to be much more interesting. There'll be again some songs and some dialogues and some kind of preaching. Let students learn from the young people. That's the idea today. We keep on having large number of events at Marva Studio. Idea is to relate events with education. Once you are in the media and entertainment industry, the industry is nothing without events. That's what I have always believed in. I'm very happy that the program was doing very well. On the second side, I'm very happy. We just inaugurated the exhibition on Mahatma Gandhi. Today is 30th January. It's a death anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. We have just paid our tribute to Mahatma Gandhi ji. We have sung some beautiful songs which he used to recite during his own days. Vaishnav Vajan Tote Nirkahiye. And um, uh, and I'm happy that the students are totally involved into these two major programs on the same day. And it's a wonderful time to learn from Mahatma Gandhi because he has taught us hundreds of things to this nation. He's one of the most popular personalities of the world. अच्छा बुरा मत देखो, बुरा मत सुनो और बुरा मत कहो. If students can relate to this three major, uh, I must say, words which Gandhiji has uttered 100 years back, probably you can turn out to be a beautiful personality. You can be a wonderful man with excellent characters.
This event will inspire the students and the young generation.
So I think there are speakers from different walks of life. There's a classical dancer, there are classical musicians. I believe there's a graphics artist, and there's a singer, composer, me. So I think they have a lot to take back, a lot of inspiration, and the students who are here, they can be tomorrow's, I would say, big artists in every way, in any way that they choose.
Ma'am, any special message for the young generation? How to pursue their passion?
Okay, so I always feel that when I came into the industry, or I would say when I started doing music, I came armed with curiosity. Curiosity is very important because that helps you to keep the hunger to keep learning. Be a student of life. Commitment is really important, because if you're not committed to your art, there's somewhere you will falter then.
We had a wonderful experience today at the TEDx AAFT, and I would really mention that the whole way they organized it and the whole aura of the place was very inspiring. And as artists, we always crave to have an audience which is very understanding of music and which is appreciative of classical music, and so was the case today. So we really had a great time.
So, these types of events are important for today's generation and what
Yes.
they will learn.
Yeah, I think they're very important because it's a precise way of getting to listen to a lot of speakers from the various backgrounds. And regarding what they will learn is, well, I can only speculate and hope that they pick up the message that is conveyed in each of the talks. For us, we conveyed how our art, ranging classical music, is formed of thousands of expressions and something which is not conveyed by language. So I hope they picked up on that message and also the message of upliftment rather than entertainment.
आज के इवेंट के बारे में आपको कैसा लगा, कैसा आपका एक्सपीरियंस था, आप शेयर करें।
आज का इवेंट बहुत अच्छा था। AFT कॉलेज ने बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव लिया इस TEDx के प्रोग्राम को ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए। यूथ सारे आर्टिस्ट जो हैं अलग अलग फील्ड से वो आए हैं अपने व्यूज शेयर करने के लिए। इट्स वेरी गुड यंग generation could know more and more things about each of one of them as a profession.
मैम, तो आपका जो ये पैशन है उसको आपने पर्पस में कैसे कन्वर्ट किया?
इट्स अ लॉन्ग स्टोरी। मैं जब 2 इयर्स की थी तब मैंने अपना पहला स्टेज परफॉर्मेंस दिया था, पर तब एक हॉबी की तरह था। और धीरे धीरे जब मैं क्लासिकल आर्ट फॉर्म को सीखती गई तो उसको और अडेप्ट करती गई और मेरा लिविंग भी वैसा ही होता गया, क्लासिकली चीज़ें, अटायर एंड एवरीथिंग। सो वो धीरे धीरे अपने आप ही प्रोफेशन में, क्योंकि वो पैशन इतना ज़्यादा बन गया था कि वो बाकी आर्ट जितना भी था सबको ओवरलोड वो कर लिया था, ओवरलैप कर लिया था।
Okay, so the event is very positive, very overwhelming because I can see a very positive talent in the institution as well. The students are perceiving every subject positively. That means they're open to ideas, they're open to innovation. So definitely, I would say it's a big applause to the students, to the organizers, to the entire event as well. And I will wish them best of luck for future as well.
So any special message for the young generation?
I always say that the young generation should always prefer the ethics and the way you work more than maybe your objective, which could be business, which could be a successful actor or a singer or an artist or even an entrepreneur. Because if you're ethical, you will always feel happy. You will always sleep peacefully. And what is also most important is that when you are ethical in your life, you also bring positive impact to the people with whom you work and with you actually give exposure to your output. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, can you please tell us about the experience of today's event?
Okay, so basically I'm an animation filmmaker and I was sharing our journey with the students. So it was a short presentation and I tried to condense our journey and I was trying to convince the students कि आप जो फिल्में बना रहे हैं, जैसे हम मेक इन इंडिया आपने सुना हुआ है, आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू टेल देम कि मेक फॉर इंडिया, कि जो अपने ऑडियंसेस हैं उनके लिए कंटेंट बनाओ, अपनी कहानियाँ उनके लिए बनाओ। बिकॉज जो एनिमेशन इंडस्ट्री इंडिया में है, 90% ऑफ दैट इंडस्ट्री क्रिएट्स कंटेंट फॉर फॉरेन ऑडियंसेस। वो अपनी कहानियाँ नहीं है, वो किसी और की कहानियाँ बनाते हैं, बहुत गजब क्वालिटी बनाते हैं। बट मेरा ये रिक्वेस्ट है कि हम गजब की क्वालिटी अपने ऑडियंस के लिए बनाएं और अपनी कहानियों को भी उतनी ही एक्सेलेंस के साथ पेश करें। So yes, that was my interaction with the students today.
It was phenomenal. All the students, everyone who has organized this event was absolutely amazing, and I would love to recommend AF to almost everyone who want to pursue anything in arts, performing arts, or either filmmaking. It's amazing college.
Sir, do you think these types of drinks are beneficial for the students and the young generation?
Absolutely, because TEDx is one of the major mediums to reach to the youth of the country, and of course the youth is shaping how we idealize, how we process, and how we actually move forward with the ideas. So it is very important for everyone to understand that these kind of events are very important for the young generation to change and shape and idealize.
So any special message for the young generation?
So it's just that I would like to sum it up in 5 J's, what I obviously call as the color of innovation, which is Josh, Junoon, Jid, Jugaad, Jazbaat. If you have any of these 5 colors, your journey is going to be phenomenal.